Imagine you just bought a new computer or upgraded to Windows 11, and you love the clean design. The centered taskbar, the smooth rounded corners, the modern animations, and the polished interface feel fresh and modern. But then you start noticing the downsides. Your system becomes slower over time, updates appear at inconvenient moments, background services consume memory, and sometimes older hardware struggles with Windows 11 requirements like TPM 2.0. Many people start asking the same question: is there a faster operating system that still looks and feels like Windows 11 but gives more control and performance? That is where Linux distributions designed for Windows users come in. Over the past few years, several Linux projects have intentionally recreated the familiar Windows workflow so that people switching from Windows do not feel lost. These distributions combine the power of Linux with an interface that feels almost identical to Windows 11, making the transition surprisingly easy. One of the most impressive examples is Zorin OS. This Linux distribution has been built specifically for people leaving Windows, and its developers openly focus on creating a familiar environment so that the learning curve is almost non-existent. When you first boot into Zorin OS, the layout feels instantly recognizable. There is a taskbar at the bottom, a menu that behaves very much like the Windows Start menu, a system tray with familiar icons, and windows that behave exactly the way Windows users expect. The reason Zorin OS stands out is its customization tool called Zorin Appearance. With a single click, you can change the desktop layout to mimic various Windows versions, including a style very close to Windows 11. Instead of forcing users to learn Linux conventions immediately, Zorin OS meets them where they already are. This philosophy is part of the reason the distribution has become incredibly popular among newcomers. Reports show that millions of users have downloaded recent versions, with a large portion of those coming directly from Windows systems. Performance is another reason people move to Zorin OS, because it runs on the Linux kernel and avoids many of the background processes found in Windows. It often feels faster even on older hardware. There is also a lightweight edition designed for low-end PCs, allowing machines that struggle with Windows 11 to run smoothly again. At the same time, it supports modern applications, gaming platforms like Steam, and compatibility tools such as Wine, which allow many Windows applications to run directly inside Linux. Another distribution worth discussing is Linux Mint. If you ask longtime Linux users which distribution feels most familiar to Windows users, Linux Mint is almost always mentioned. The reason is its Cinnamon desktop environment, which intentionally follows the classic Windows layout with a bottom panel, application launcher, system tray, and right-click desktop menus that feel almost identical to Windows workflows. While Linux Mint originally resembled Windows 7 more than Windows 11, recent themes and customization options allow it to adopt a modern design with rounded windows, transparency effects, and cleaner icons that resemble Microsoft's current design language. What makes Linux Mint powerful is the balance between simplicity and stability. The system includes practical tools such as a driver manager, update manager, and timeshift snapshot utility. These features allow beginners to manage updates, install drivers, and even restore their entire system if something goes wrong. For someone migrating from Windows, that reliability can be extremely reassuring. Instead of constantly worrying about system breakage, Linux Mint aims to provide a predictable environment that just works. A different approach to the Windows-like experience can be seen in Linux Lite. This distribution was designed for two main goals: helping Windows users switch to Linux and reviving older computers. Linux Lite uses the lightweight XFCE desktop environment, but it is customized to resemble the familiar Windows layout with a taskbar, start-style menu, and traditional window controls. The distribution includes tools that simplify everyday tasks, such as installing software, managing updates, and configuring the system. For beginners, these small conveniences matter a lot because they remove the intimidation factor that sometimes comes with Linux. Another major advantage of Linux Lite is performance. Because the XFCE desktop consumes fewer resources than heavier desktop environments, Linux Lite can run smoothly on hardware that would struggle with modern Windows versions. This means an older laptop that feels painfully slow on Windows can suddenly become responsive again with Linux Lite installed. If you want a Linux system that visually resembles Windows 11 almost perfectly right out of the box, then Linux is one of the closest matches. Linuxfx, sometimes called Windows, is a distribution designed specifically to replicate Microsoft's operating system visually. It is based on Ubuntu and uses the KDE Plasma desktop environment, heavily customized to mimic Windows design elements. The developers recreated the Windows-style taskbar, icons, system settings layout, and even some familiar tools so that the interface feels extremely similar to Windows. In fact, Linux even attempts to reproduce certain Windows behaviors and visual elements such as system dialogues, wallpaper styles, and desktop layout patterns. For a Windows user seeing Linux for the first time, Linux can feel almost identical to Windows 11 at a glance. Some versions of Linux also include integration with Microsoft services and web apps, further reinforcing the familiarity. Another interesting project designed for Windows refugees is AnduinOS. This distribution is relatively new compared to the others, but has quickly attracted attention because of its extremely accurate Windows-like interface. AnduinOS is based on Ubuntu and created by a former Microsoft engineer, which is probably why the design feels so authentic. The system uses a customized GNOME desktop that includes a centered taskbar, pinned applications, widgets, and layout choices that closely mirror Windows 11's visual style. One of the interesting aspects of AnduinOS is how carefully it replicates familiar workflows. For example, the file manager shows common directories such as documents, downloads, and pictures in the same structure that Windows users expect. Keyboard shortcuts and system behaviors also mimic Windows conventions. This attention to detail makes AnduinOS surprisingly comfortable for users who have spent years using Windows and are nervous about learning something completely different. Another option for people who want a Windows-like interface but also a powerful customization system is Kubuntu. Kubuntu is an official flavor of Ubuntu that uses the KDE Plasma desktop environment. KDE Plasma is one of the most customizable desktop environments in the Linux ecosystem. With just a few theme changes, KDE can replicate the look of almost any operating system, including Windows 11. The reason KDE works so well for this purpose is its flexibility. The taskbar can be centered, icons can be changed to Windows-style icon packs, and window effects like transparency and rounded corners can be added easily. Even the application launcher can be configured to look very similar to the Windows Start menu. Because of this flexibility, many Linux users recommend KDE-based distributions to people who want to recreate the Windows experience but still enjoy Linux's customization power. Community discussions often highlight this fact as well. Many Linux users point out that the desktop environment matters more than the distribution itself. Desktop environments like KDE Plasma or Cinnamon can replicate Windows layouts extremely well, regardless of the underlying Linux system. There is also another project that deserves attention if we talk about Windows-style Linux systems: Winux. Sometimes related to projects like Kubuntu or Windowsfx, focuses on recreating the Windows 11 interface while still providing the benefits of Linux underneath. It uses KDE Plasma and Ubuntu as its foundation and then layers a carefully designed theme on top. The result is a desktop that looks remarkably close to Windows 11, complete with a familiar taskbar, icons, and application layout. Some versions even include web shortcuts for Microsoft services like Office or Edge to make the transition smoother for Windows users. When you look at all these distributions together, a clear pattern appears. Linux developers understand that switching operating systems is intimidating for many people. Instead of forcing users to abandon everything they know, these projects recreate familiar visual patterns and workflows so that the change feels natural. Another reason these distributions work well for beginners is the ecosystem behind them. Most of them are built on top of Ubuntu or Debian, which means they inherit huge software repositories, long-term support updates, and extensive community documentation. That foundation makes them stable and easy to maintain even for people who are completely new to Linux. Performance is another factor that makes these systems attractive. Linux generally uses system resources more efficiently than Windows because it does not include as many background services, telemetry processes, or built-in advertising features. This means the same hardware often feels faster when running Linux. Applications launch quicker, memory usage is lower, and system updates usually take less time. Security and privacy are also important advantages. Linux distributions are open source, which means their code can be inspected by developers around the world. This transparency reduces the likelihood of hidden tracking or unwanted data collection. For many people who feel uncomfortable with increasing telemetry in modern operating systems, this openness is a major reason to switch. Another important benefit is customization. Windows 11 has a fixed design philosophy, and although some customization is possible, it is limited. Linux, on the other hand, allows users to completely transform the interface. Themes, icon packs, window effects, panel layouts, and even system behaviors can be changed. This means a user can start with a Windows-like interface for familiarity and then gradually explore new designs as they become more comfortable with Linux. Of course, switching operating systems is not completely effortless. Some Windows-only software may require compatibility layers like Wine or virtualization. Gaming compatibility has improved significantly thanks to technologies like Proton and Steam Play, but certain titles may still require extra configuration. However, the gap between Linux and Windows has narrowed dramatically in recent years. For beginners considering the switch, the best approach is to start with a distribution that prioritizes familiarity and ease of use. Zorin OS, Linux Mint, Linux Lite, Linux, AnduinOS, Kubuntu, and Winx all focus on delivering that comfortable transition. Each has its own strengths, but they all share the same goal: making Linux approachable for people who have spent years using Windows. In the end, the idea that Linux is only for programmers or technical experts is outdated. Modern Linux distributions are designed for everyday users who simply want a fast, stable, and private operating system. By combining the familiar design of Windows with the flexibility and performance of Linux, these distributions create a bridge between two worlds. For someone who loves the visual design of Windows 11 but wants more control over their computer, these Linux distributions provide a powerful alternative. They prove that you do not have to sacrifice familiarity when moving to Linux. Instead, you can keep the interface you recognize while gaining the freedom, speed, and transparency that open-source software offers. And for many people who try them for the first time, that combination is exactly what finally convinces them to leave Windows behind.